Hello, my name is Felecia, a dog mom on a mission to find the best dog food for my sweet Frenchie Milo. Every day I see ads for dog food, all promising the same thing: clean ingredients and better health for your dog. So in a world of options, how can we know what really is the best? That is where the fresh and dry dog food provider Spot and Tango came into the picture. I was looking for a company that provided more personalized options than going to the grocery store would offer. Now that we have used them for a while, we can get into more about what Spot and Tango is, what they offer your dog, their pricing, and customer service. By the end of this video, I hope we can answer the question, is it worth the price? Alrighty, so first off, what is Spot and Tango? Well, Spot and Tango is a dog food provider that offers both fresh meal options and a personalized dry food option they have dubbed on kibble. Their food is made using natural, whole ingredients, and the recipes are developed by veterinary nutritionists and meet all set nutritional standards. Their meal plans are customized based on your dog's age, weight, breed, and activity level. Meals are delivered right to your door on a recurring basis, and Spot and Tango also offer treats and supplements as well. Just a heads up, if you want to give Spot and Tango a try for your dog, there is an affiliate link in the description below for a discount you won't find on Spot and Tango's website. We're going to get into more about Spot and Tango, but I just wanted to throw that out there before we got any further along. So, Spot and Tango offers two meal products: a fresh food option that is delivered frozen to your door, and a dried food product. I'll start with the fresh food first. So in terms of fresh food, there are 3 recipes to choose from. They are turkey with red quinoa, beef with millet, and lamb with brown rice. Each recipe includes a blend of vegetables, fruits, and nutrients, and meals are pre-portioned for your dog. To feed the fresh meals to your dog, all that is needed is to let the food thaw and serve. The second option Spot and Tango offers is a dry product they call on kibble. I mentioned on kibble earlier, but really, what is it? In a nutshell, the on kibble would be more comparable to a dry dog food or, kibble. So what makes their product different? Well, some of the most noteworthy differences between the on kibble product and a traditional kibble I can see are the absence of any artificial additives, colors, or flavors. They only use real meats and the customizable nature of on kibble. Now, I want to point out, and I think it is important to understand, that not all traditional kibble uses artificial ingredients and colors or artificial meats, but what on kibble offers that is truly invaluable is the customizable nature of their product. So this all goes back to Milo, my sweet little Frenchie from earlier. Milo is plump, to say the least, so much so that his vet has recommended Milo go on a diet. When I asked her, hey, what do I need to change? Her response was to feed him less, but make sure he gets enough to eat. If you're wondering what exactly this means, congratulations, you are on the same page as me. How could I know what was less, but still enough? Milo was eating kibble at the time, and the portion sizes on the back of the bag were not very clear. I was feeding him less than what was recommended for his weight, yet he was still, chunky. How could I make sure I was doing the most I could for Milo when I couldn't understand what that was? On Kibble provides a serving size customized to your dog based on them individually and tailored to meet their goals. AKA, if your dog needs to lose weight, they can help. The recipes offered in their On Kibble line are chicken with brown rice, beef with barley, cod with salmon, and turkey with sweet potato. And like the fresh options we talked about earlier, each recipe contains a blend of fruit, vegetables, and other natural ingredients. Alrighty, so the heart of the matter is, what does it cost? Well, I want to say right off the get-go, the cost will be different for each of you. If you remember, Spot and Tango's meal plan is customized based on your dog's age, weight, breed, and activity level, and what meal option you choose. The easiest way to go about this is by going through the quiz. The quiz is free and you get the quote right away. Now, before I talk numbers, I want to mention that while there may be 2 products Spot and Tango offers, the fresh and dry option, altogether there are 3 plan options. the on kibble, switching your dog to an all fresh diet, and using the fresh food as a supplement to kibble. Some more things to consider: the on kibble product includes a customized scoop for your dog's calculated portion, and like traditional kibble, it does not need to be refrigerated or frozen. The fresh dog food does need to stay frozen until it is time to thaw and eat. According to Spot and Tango's website, food packs should be refrigerated for a max of 4 days. Otherwise, they should stay frozen. Alright, so to get an idea of how Spot and Tango's pricing works, I've run the quote 3 times for dogs of different breeds and sizes. The first is for a tiny 8-pound Yorkie poo. For this little pup, the beef on kibble price would be $1.12 a day, while the turkey recipe in the fresh food option ranges from $1.11 to $1.43, depending on which portion size you choose. For Milo, a 43-pound French bulldog, the beef on kibble price would be $2.14 a day, or from $1.24 to $3.30 for the fresh food option, choosing that same turkey recipe. Finally, I ran a quote for a 100-pound Mastiff. For them, the beef on kibble price would be $4.38, while the fresh food price would run from $1.89 to $7.14, also choosing the same turkey option as the others. Spot and Tango also offers treats as well with your order. Sizes range from 2.5 to 3 ounce portions, and prices range from $12 to $15 a bag. There are supplements available for sale as well. Each bottle contains 56 chews and will run you $26 each. Also, depending on when you watch this, prices could very well have changed, recipes reformulated, or new ones added. You get the picture. In a nutshell, if you're interested in checking out Spot and Tango, take a look at the link in the description to get a quote, which, like I mentioned, will automatically get you a bit of a discount that isn't available if you go straight to their website. Nice. So let's get into customer service. So Spot and Tango gives you multiple ways to contact them. There is a phone number to reach them, email, and text messaging. I'm surprised they haven't invested in a web chat. I've seen several competitors opt for, but at the same time, most people have access to a phone and email, so I wouldn't say it's a huge issue. The website has a super simple and clean aesthetic. There aren't a ton of tabs to choose from, making it pretty simple to navigate, but there also isn't a search tab, so I can see frustration as well if you're looking for something specific and are having trouble finding it. You create an account in placing your Spot and Tango order to manage shipments, addresses, and payment information, all that good stuff. They don't offer an app, but really, I don't see the need to have one. The website is pretty mobile friendly for my iPhone, and I would imagine the Android experience would be similar, if not identical. In terms of the orders, packages are shipped free to the contiguous US. There are different shipment schedules ranging from every week all the way up to 8 weeks, depending on what the size of your order comes out to be. However, orders can be paused and resumed to fit your needs as long as enough notice is given prior to your next shipment. In terms of returns, they say right on the site they aren't able to take returns because it is a food product, which makes sense. In its place, they offer a 14-day, 100% happy pup guarantee in your initial trial order. They don't specify what would happen if you have an issue after the 14-day trial. The website says to reach out to them and that they'll make sure you're taken care of. From other customers I've heard, it's a 50% refund and they request the food be donated to a dog shelter. One thing I think is so smart of Spot and Tango is to offer both a dry and fresh dog food product. The reason being, imagine having that 100-pound Mastiff. You get an order of fresh food that needs to be frozen the same day you go grocery shopping and fill up your freezer. What a nightmare. I was in the same situation with Milo and we were left scrambling. We were able to make it work, but I can see freezer space being a big issue. Having the availability of a product that does not need the special attention while still providing all the great benefits of the fresh option is so important to me. Not to mention the convenience of having a product ready to serve at the drop of a hat with no prep work needed. So one last thing before I give my final verdict if Spot and Tango is worth the price, and that is competitors in the dog food industry to Spot and Tango. If you're watching review videos, chances are you are aware too. With new companies popping up every year, the one I see the most similarities to Spot and Tango is Ollie. Both companies offer a dry and fresh food option, and both offer their own line of treats and supplements, and both have their own pros and cons that we'll get into. In terms of ingredient quality, both companies are known for producing a quality product. They are all very proud to use natural, ethically sourced ingredients from farms in the US. Both companies produce their product in the US as well, and both meet all the required quality standards. Now, in terms of meal options, Ollie has more choices to choose from in their fresh menu, but their dry product only has 2 options, chicken and beef. Spot and Tango has 4 dry food options, chicken, beef, turkey, and fish. Also, Ollie does not sell their dry dog food product as a standalone meal option. It is only sold in a half-fresh, half-baked option. And additionally, both companies also offer supplements and treats you can add to your deliveries. Now, pricing. Because I think an apples-to-apples comparison is important, I'm going to use Milo's pricing to compare a half-fresh and full-fresh meal option from both Ollie and Spot and Tango. For a half-fresh option, Spot and Tango was the winner by over half. For a total switch, Ollie is a few dollars less. Now, I do want to add the portion size Milo would get from each company is not disclosed. Alright, so we've made it to the end, and as promised, is Spot and Tango worth the price? In a nutshell, yes. The ingredients are high quality for both of their product lines, and they are totally transparent about their food and the process of making their products. My fellow doggy parents can agree, we all want what will give our pups the longest, healthiest life, and I truly believe Spot and Tango is a fantastic way to do that. And that's gonna be it for today. I really hope you found this video useful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe for more. And like I mentioned before, if you want to give Spot and Tango a try for yourself, check out the link in the description to get that discount I mentioned that you wouldn't be able to get if you went straight to their website. Also, feel free to leave any questions in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as soon as I can. Thanks again so much for watching. See you next time.